Alaska 2010, and this is one of my personal favorite cons. It wasn't my first, but it's definitely one of my favorites. It's a nice, small, intimate literary convention, and I think my favorite part of this year has been the room parties. I've met some amazing people at the room parties and eaten a lot of chocolate and a lot of good food, heard some great readings. There's just a lot of really great informative stuff going on at Alaska, especially if you love. I am a writer, and the fashion that I'm wearing right now is called Elegant Gothic Lolita. It is from Japan. It's Japanese street fashion. I tend to wear this fashion most of the time because I'm a goth and I'm into Victorian stuff, but yeah, that's just a little explanation of what I'm wearing. So on the writing front, right now, my latest publication is a story called Beyond Demra in Mystic Signals, the anthology. And it is about a young lady who is a warrior, and she finds love with another warrior after getting over her heartbreak of her last relationship. Basically, while fighting it out with a whole bunch of demons and monsters trying to, rescue this idol. So, there's a lot going on, but mostly it's about the characters and the emotional resonance of what they're going through and their evolution through the story. I got into writing when I was a very small child. I read from a very young age. Probably, I think I read first when I was 2, and I'm not kidding about that. And I ate up books from then on. And when I was in grade 2, I wrote a play, and I had all my friends star in it in the school library. So people were always encouraging me and said I had a lot of potential. But and in 2006, I attended the Odyssey Fantasy Writing Workshop, which is a wonderful workshop. I would recommend that to anybody, and that really put my career into the zone where I would be publishable. So I've had 2 publications since then, and everything's going really well, I think. I also work for Hit Grab Incorporated, the makers of Mouse Hunt, so that's a Facebook application. I play Mouse Hunt. That's a really fun game, and we got lots of stuff on the way. So, in the future, let's see, I would like to write a lot of novels in the future. That's what I would like to do. And, have people love those novels. I would like to be close with my fans, and I would like to just have a really great fan culture to do with my books, because I respect fan culture, being a fan myself, and I think that's my biggest goal, to have a good. It's called Mystic Signals 3, and you can buy it on www.loreleisignal.com or on Lulu. I'm Elizabeth Hurst, and you have been watching Great Guy AAA.
Never been